Hello everyone, welcome to JVRD Automation World. This is the continuation of our 30-day programming challenge. Right, if you haven't watched it, please watch the previous videos and right, solve the programs. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, enable notification. Right, this is the day 18 programming challenge. Right, what is the program? Find vowels and consonants in a given string. Right, find the vowels and consonants in a given string. What are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. Right, we know that A, E, I, O, U. Consonants means remaining characters. Right, if there are any spaces, special symbols, we should not include those things. Only characters, vowels and consonants. Right, whoever joined, please right start the program. I think everyone understand the problem statement. Right, please start the program. I will also start the parallelly. Okay, day 8 challenge. Day 18. Main program I will write down inside the main program. Main program itself I will take a one input string. Okay, simple thing we will take. Write a Java. Then what we have to do? We will do it either lowercase or uppercase. Convert to lowercase or uppercase so that it will be same characters will be there. Then to character convert to character. And then what we have to do? We have to iterate one by one character char c iterate character array. Then first condition is character should be greater than or equal to a and character less than or equal to z. Right, in between only. If it is any other special character, right, we have to ignore it. Don't count that. Right, let me take a vowels, consonants. Vowels and consonants. Right, local variables we have to initialize with some 0. Okay, now we can use the for loop. Right, just for change I will use the switch condition. I will use the switch condition. Okay, switch C if case is a. Right, if case is a or case is a E. Okay, E or A E I or case is O or case is U. Right, either any one of these vowels, then increase the vowels count. Increase the vowels count. Right, then break it. Else. Right, here in case statement there is no else condition. Right, then how to do it? We can do it in the default, inside the default. Right, inside the default, if it is coming in default condition means that is consonants. Consonants plus plus. Right, vowels plus plus, consonants plus plus. Right, then just print it. How many vowels are there? Right, how many vowels are there? And how many consonants are there? Okay, vowels and consonants. Okay, is it working? We'll check. Java, how many vowels are there? Two vowels, A and vowels. J, V are consonants. Right, it's working fine. Suppose I will write a Java programming. Right, how many vowels are there? I think around 5. I think, yeah, 5 vowels, 10 consonants. Right, sometime may ask in interviewer, they don't want to calculate duplicate vowels or duplicate consonants. Duplicate vowels or duplicate consonants, how you will do it? Right, if anyone knows the solution, please solve it and comment in the comment section program. Right, right, I think my side it is done. If anyone is done, please post our post our solution in the comment section. Right, there will be multiple solutions. Right, please post in the comment section so that everyone will know what are the different ways to achieve it. Right, whoever participated, thanks for them. Whoever did not get a chance, please get some time, 5 to 10 minutes of your time. Just practice this program so that so that we will get some ideas instantly. We will not get in the interview. Right, while doing the interview, instantly we will not get. If we practice, then only right we will get different types of logics and we can easily solve it. Right, just take 5 to 10 minutes of time. Right, daily practice it. Right, please subscribe to the channel, enable notification for more interesting videos. Please comment in the comment section if you have any questions. Please share to your friends and like the video.